Hi, welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I am here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. So, sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Today's word, tit. T-I-T. Tit. The etymology. Two derivations here, so let's do them separately. Etymology 1. Tit, the bird. Coming from Scandinavian and Germanic origin, the English word probably derives from the Faroese Icelandic word titlingur, meaning a small sparrow. The first recorded usage of this dates back to the 1540s, though by the 1590s it was being used as a derogatory word for women and girls, particularly those seen to be of low morality, and by the 1700s it was being used as a general description of people considered to be fools or idiots. Etymology 2. Tit, a part of the female anatomy. Seemingly a combination of Old English tit, T-I-T-T-E, meaning teat or nipple, and the Albanian word tithe, T-I-T-H-E, meaning to suck. Though the origin and first usage is unknown, it seems to have attained its current meaning as late as the 1920s. All right, let's go. Word types of tit. A noun. That's it, just a noun. Usage 1, as a noun, a common small bird of various breeds found in most of the northern hemisphere. Example 1, I woke up this morning and there was a blue tit sitting on my windowsill. Example 2, if you look up in that tree, you will see a great tit nest. So, a common species of bird found in much of the world. Usage 2, as a noun, the soft organs situated on the upper part of a woman's torso, mildly or slightly vulgar, so be a bit careful when and how you use it. Example 1, my tits are too big. I'm going to get a breast reduction. Example 2, my girlfriend has amazing tits. I can't believe my luck. So, a little bit of a vulgar or crass way to refer to the breasts. Usage 3, as a noun, slightly vulgar again, slang for somebody we consider as an idiot, fool, or imbecile. Example 1, John is such a tit when he has a drink. Example 2, I can't believe Jane turned out to be a tit. She seems so nice. So, somebody, a man or woman, we consider to be a bit of an idiot, we can call a tit. Usage 4, in an expression, to go arse over tit. Here, we also need to know the slang word arse, which means the buttocks area of the body. Arse, A-R-S-E. The expression itself means to fall over in a sudden, uncontrolled manner. Example 1, I was walking in the street and didn't see the ice. I went arse over tit. Example 2, he was playing football and got tackled and fell arse over tit. So, a fall, sudden and unexpected, can be talked about as going or falling arse over tit. Note that the preceding verb can be either to be, the past tense went in this case, or to fall, the past tense fell in this case. Usage 5, in an expression, to get on someone's tits. This expression means to irritate or annoy. Example 1, you were so rude last night that you really got on my tits. Example 2, my computer won't start again. It's getting right on my tits. Two things to note here. Firstly, to add emphasis, I've used two different words, positioned differently in the two examples. Really in example 1 and right in example 2. These additions do not change the meaning, but simply add emphasis. The positioning of the two words is not interchangeable, so make sure you put them in the correct place, else you'll really get on my tits. Secondly, remember that the expression can be used to refer to people, objects, situations, experiences, and places. For example, I have to travel to Manchester tomorrow. Manchester really gets on my tits. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure you don't miss a single video. Now fuck off.